it wasn't cool to be these people.
Yo, should we like start giving an offering to Black Panther?
Yo, Black Panther changed the game for Africans.
It made it cool again.
What? Like, I remember back in the day when, legit, like, I tried to lose my accent because I was like, I gotta sound like these other kids. I don't want to sound like another African kid.
Now there's a new crop of kids who are saying T'Challa with ease. T'Challa.
T'Challa.
So they can say T'Challa, they can say Nguruka.
Ajayi.
Ajayi.
The way people can't say my last name, people see my last name and think it's Tchaikovsky. I'm like, they're like, how do you say this? And I'm just like, Ajayi, just like it's spelled. Ajayi. All 3 syllables, no tricks. And they're like, huh, yhiamey, okay. I'd be like, bruh, which kind?